Ian here, founder of In 30 Minutes Guide, switching things up today with fish pond basics. And I've built 2 ponds. It's not that difficult and you don't need much space. The basic elements: hard plastic liner, some plants, a small pump, and some fish. This liner is kidney shaped, maybe 4 feet long, 2 feet wide, and 2 feet deep, and get a heavy grade liner. We got ours at a good garden supply shop, maybe about $100 total. We live in zone 6, so the surface will freeze in winter up to 4 inches thick. We keep the pump running, and these goldfish and koi hibernate at the bottom when it's really cold. The hardest part of this whole setup was really preparing the site, and after digging the hole and getting the roots and rocks out of there, you have to level the bottom, insert the liner, and then backfill with dirt along the sides. You can put ferns and wild plants. They may appear by themselves, or you can add flowers or other decorations as well. At the other pond I built, we had hostas all around. We used tap water and treated it according to the garden center's recommendations before adding the fish. Now, the pond pump doesn't have to be big, but you will need to clean it out every week or so. And just make sure that you have an electrical outlet or can run an extension cable. And the water plant that we have in there, it really loves warm weather, but we have to bring it inside when the temperature gets close to freezing. So that stays inside all winter. The fish really love this water plant too. It provides shade. And we also placed a cinder block underneath the shelter so the fish can hide there. And the fish themselves can live for years. These are ordinary koi, and shibunkin we picked up at a pet supply shop for $5 or $10 each, and they'll stay small if the pond is small. Be sure to follow or like this channel, and thanks so much for watching.